Hey guys, in this video we're at Atlantis the Palm to experience the Dubai balloon. And trust me, this one is worth adding to your Dubai itinerary.
May pangalan to?
We booked this experience through the Klook app using the Klook promo code MGraceKlook for additional discount. And redeeming was super easy. We just went to the booth, had our booking scanned, and they gave us admission wristband which we need to wear before entering. This experience was around 3,000 per person. Not bad at all for this kind of experience.
Huwag lang sa labas, mainit.
Sa labas po ako dun sa ano. Ngayon lang po ako napapunta po dito.
Grabe.
Pero ang accommodation mo, te.
Opo. Saan po kayo nakatigil po?
Bonias.
Sa Banyes po.
Ayun. O baka maano kayo dito? Matisod.
Nakapaman din ako.
Nakikita ko na yung balloon.
Wow, kaya pala maraming bata. Siguro
Sa school.
trip. Madami mga nakabrip.
Charot. Naka?
Brip.
We headed straight to the balloon and we were assisted by another Filipino staff. Love seeing kababayans abroad. There was no long queue, so it was just the four of us riding the balloon, which made the experience feel more private and relaxed.
Matatakot pala ako. Totoo. Mataas din, oh. Ang cute na rocket, oh. Bakit mababa ko yan sa
Kasulatan? Pagkatapos may safety briefing pa po tayo.
Doon sa kanya. Pero pwede kami mag-picture muna dito saglit.
Opo, pwede
Thank
naman
you.
po.
Thank you.
Dito, tsaka video nineng.
Ay, punta kayo dun ng... Teka, hindi rin pala... Pag mamaya, pagpababa na lang. The Filipino staff walk us through the safety briefing, do's and don'ts, and also we have to sign the boarding pass before the ride.
Ito po ba? Flower po.
Flower.
Okay? I will be taking you through our short briefing. So, if any of you are prone to any motion sickness, vertigo, heart condition, or any sickness that may aggravate our flight, you cannot fly with our plane. Okay? And if you feel anything, like you feel dizzy or what, just inform our onboard pilot so he can bring you down.
Safe pala may onboard pilot.
Yes, po.
May
And
kasama
then, during the ascending and descending, please hold on to the handrails. So the pilot will tell you when you can go around
Okay.
and you can take pictures and
Ah.
videos. But you cannot put your camera or hands outside our safety nets
Mm.
to make sure that it will not fall down. Okay? And smoking, eating, and drinking is not allowed during our flight. That's all. And to your boarding pass, ma'am, just sign your name, your number, and name, number, and your signature.
Okay. Oh, name, number lang naman and signature.
We must drink Bonamine first. Ayan, may bago kami po. Pero hindi naman talaga nakakalilaw. Tapos
Ayun na.
natatakot.
Kasi mabagal lang
Tsaka
po
pag
siya.
Ayun na, oh.
wag lang titingin sa baba ko natatakot.
Actually, ma'am, hindi, ma'am. For ano lang po yan.
Wow, solo namin.
Opo.
Wow.
Kasi po pagka
Every
may guest,
Umaalis na agad.
Hindi po kami nag-iintay.
oh,
Ah.
pupunuin.
Kahit po isa.
Ah, talaga?
Ang galing naman.
Diyan ka lang, ate.
Naka-lunch break yata yung kasama niya eh.
Tsaka nag-rotation.
Ano, papakuha kami dito.
Picture, hindi, pa-picture tayo dito. Isa-isa. Laki din oh.
Eh, di dapat ngayon na bago umakyat. Natatala ba natatala ng hangin ang sombrero? Hindi naman.
Thank you. Morning. Ano kay sa gitna? Kay Cecil.
Saan tayo hawak?
Dito sa rail.
Dito?
Padaan na kayo na.
Ang init. Romy dito.
Babagal
Saka hindi naman niya nakakatakot kasi parang helicopter nga na sumakay tayo. Ang liit-liit ng helicopter.
Madam video. Ito, dito lang muna.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello.
Hello,
My
sir.
name is George, and I'm going to be your pilot for this flight. Okay.
Okay, George.
While we're going up and down, you can move this way or on the other side.
Okay.
You're free to take pictures and videos, but don't put your mobile phone outside.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can we try to spread around? We need equal balance. All right.
Ah, to equal balance. Okay. Spread daw, spread.
Mami, layo kang konti. Yan. Yung kabanda.
Hello, sir. Can you come?
Atras kaya, ama.
Tapos ka kami yan.
Yan.
Hawak ka lang
All right.
maigi.
That's okay. So we're going up now.
Thank you. Wow, yay! Ay, no, nagulong pa.
Kaya pala dapat pala.
Mm. Dubai balloon.
Thank you, Lord. Maraming po salamat. Napaka-safe naman. Wow, nire-record na ha.
Ah. The ride lasts around 10 to 15 minutes, and once you're up there, you get a breathtaking 360-degree view of Palm Jumeirah, Atlantis, the surrounding luxury hotel, resorts, and the stunning Dubai coastline. Mamaya pwedeng lumakad pag naka-steady na sa taas.
Pagka nakasnake.
Ay, ayun yung Atlantis na slides, oh. It felt very safe and stable, and our captain was amazing. He made sure everyone was comfortable and not scared, even encouraging us to walk around and enjoy every angle of the How many feet high is this one, sir?
This is 50 meters. We're still going up.
50 meters and still going up.
Oh, at least can we walk?
Not yet?
Not yet. Just when we reach at the top.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, pilot. Swerte ni Cecil, malilim na kami. Mami, ay na-ready naman.
You know, we can see the whole area.
Ayun yung Palm Jumeirah.
Yun yung Burj Al Arab. Yun. Ito nga, Palm Jumeirah nga dito.
Palm Jumeirah. Di ba yung ganyan ganyan?
Oo.
Ang galing na kagawa na ito. Ano ba ito? Yukan? Unmade?
Man-made island. If you're visiting Dubai and want a unique, unforgettable experience, this is your sign to try the Dubai balloon at Atlantis. Book it through the Klook app and don't forget to use my promo code MGRACEKLOOK for additional discount.
You can walk around it. Captain? No, we can move around. Pwede na yung makeup. Okay. Ayaw, tayo. Ay, mag-iigit na ng ano.
We're landing. Say bye. Bye na.
Hello.
Tama.
Hold tight.
Up. Yan, naka-video pa kayo.
Hold tight. Hold tight. So happy. So happy. I'm so happy. Wow. It's not
Thank you, Captain.